Alright guys, I just pulled up to Bom Retiro. It's already another different vibe in another area. So this area looks amazing. It's another different side of São Paulo. Here is the open park here. This place is full of government offices. Here is school. Here is like a police headquarters. Here is a hall. So here full of government offices. Here is a church, cathedral. Bom Retiro have a mixed culture. You can feel it when walking around. Everything here is all about fashion. Both men and female, both wearing fashion. Any kind of both suit, anything you can find it here. This one full in this area. All shops here.
O azul é
It is not one style or one vibe. It is everything combined together in one place. Bom Retiro, São Paulo. Also inside they have like plaza inside. All these wedding gowns, party clothes. This is where you find them. All this design, wedding dress, both men and female. This is where you find them. It's a different vibe in this area. Anything fashion is here. You find anything fashion, design, suit, any different, both children, everything is here. So this time of the day is the perfect time. Not too crowded, but still active. So the shop are still open. It's all about fashion. You look the inside. All this wedding dress. All this suit. Bom Retiro is not flashy, but it get character. If you want to see the other side of São Paulo, this is one of the places. This is one of the places. Everything here, fashion. See, the light is coming out. What's up? Everything here is fashion. In the night, it's going to be so amazing with these lights here. But they close before nightfall. So beautiful. The shops, the architecture, the design. This place is so big, very big. So lot of area. Here like plaza, both inside and outside. This is São Paulo. So amazing.
É sério, mulher.
So the people are closing, people are going home, but still area, still active here. This place feels like little Korea inside São Paulo. You can see the influence of Koreans in every corner in this area, from the shop, from the restaurant, everything. See the influence of Koreans. So you can see the name. Here is shopping Bom Retiro. You can see Korean restaurant up there. A lot of Korea in this area. And this is Bom Retiro. So many Koreans. You can see them. So their influence are everywhere in this. Bom Retiro insists only Koreans. It's a mix of culture. Koreans, Jewish and Bolivia cultures. Stay safe.